Okay, what you're seeing here now is a Vedette from 1925, a Vedette clock from 1925. It chimes both the Westminster and the Brother John chime. And I'm going to rotate the needles so that you can hear the chime. It's a very beautiful clock. It's very rare. It is from 1925. Because I've enlarged the picture, it looks a little bit broader than it normally should be. It's a little narrower and longer when you look at it. Okay, you're hearing part of it. When I move the big needle or the big hand to 12, you will hear the full chime. All right, Brother John, or they call it the Frere Jacques chime. Okay, the Frere Jacques or the Brother John chime. I'm going to give you a full rotation. I'm going to give you a full rotation so that you hear it on all the quarters. Okay? I will wind the clock a little bit so probably you hear it better. Okay, I'm going to take it to the first quarter. Now to the second quarter or the half an hour. Take it to the third quarter. You hear almost the 3/4 of the time. I'm going to put it to the full hour. When I put it to the full hour, I will give it a few seconds so that I can get down and talk to you more clearly from closer to the microphone. I am not with the microphone with me here. Okay. This clock is going at a very good price, exactly the same model. The one that I saw that is going for about, I think 3,000 or 4,000 euro, is actually redone. The whole body is redone. This is the original body. And I've got the receipt for the clock, also the French receipt, original French receipt for the clock in it. It's going to chime anytime now. So that's another clock at the background, being the Westminster chime. Yeah. I'm easily about 12 feet away from the clock. I'm taking this picture from about 12 feet away from the clock, so that you get a proper look at the whole clock, bigger picture, right? If you notice, there are other clocks by the side of it, very close by. There are other clocks, okay? And this is my Frere Jacques clock. I have two Frere Jacques clocks. This is the more expensive of the two.